Good morning, kindergarten. This is Mrs. Prevet. I wanted to make sure that you understand all the things that you could be doing to keep learning about technology while we are off of school. The first thing you're going to do, you're watching this video right here. It says watch this video. Second thing you're going to do is read what's in this yellow box. These are 2 days that you're going to do something. You're going to choose one game, you're going to play the game, and you're going to go to the form and answer the questions. So I'm going to scroll down. This is a game, and this is a game. So I'm going to pick one game today, and then I'm going to play it, and then I'm going to go down here to this form. So first I'm going to click on Sid the Science Kid. And I'm going to go to one of these games. Here's a sorting box. I like that one. And then I'm going to click play. And then when it starts, I will play the game. Oh, it looks like I have to put the things in the box. Let's see. Let's find the purple things. There we go. Ta-da! Is there another purple thing? There's another one. They're both purple, but they're not exactly the same, are they? That's a light yellow. That's a dark yellow. It's a dark red, and that's a bright red. Yay! So I'm going to play this game and any other game on this website for about a half hour. Then I'm going to come up here to the W and go back to the Weebly. Now that I've played this game, I'm going to click on this form, and it's going to open up, and it says April 13th. I'm going right here, student name, so I have to put my name. Then I have to put my parents' email address. Then it says, what game did you play? And you have to write the name of the game. I played Sid the Science Kid. What did you like best about the game? I love sorting games. That's what I write. And what type of a device did you use to play this game? Were you playing on a Chromebook? Or did you play it on a phone? Or an iPad? Or some other tablet? Or a laptop? I'm on a laptop, so. Then I hit submit, and then I'm done. Now, after I'm done, I can go back to the Weebly and play any game in one of the months that we've already done, okay? You can go to any one of those after you have done one of these. Now, I have 2 games, so one day you have to play this game, then the next day you're going to play this game. After you play that game, you're going to click on the April 15th, you're going to do the same thing. You're going to, the first one says, what's your name? My name is Mrs. Prevet. What's your parents' email address? I'm going to write my email address. Then the next one says, what game did you play? Then the next one says, what type of device did you use? I used a laptop. So I'm going to click on that, and then I'm going to click submit. Then I'm all done. I can close the form and go back to the Weebly, make a choice. I could go to September, October, November, December, January, February, March, April, or May. Any one of those. Okay? Now, I want you to do technology class 2 times a week for 30 minutes. If you want to do more, you can, but do it at least 30 minutes 2 times a week. Okay? If you have any questions, you can email me. My email address is tprevet@sjdaschool.org. Have fun, stay healthy, and remember I love you.